We just got in the mail our new chicken fence, chicken wire, chicken web, whatever you want to call it, our electric chicken containment system from Premier One Supplies. And we're going to open it up, do a little unboxing for you, kind of see what's inside, and then we'll show you how we're going to set it up and electrify it. And so here we go. Okay, so we got the fence up and running. We've got the chickens inside and they're doing okay. The fence is hitting. I felt it myself, and so everything's working right. Now let me explain just a couple of things about how we're operating with this fence. One is these... Thank you for the help.
Thank you for not interrupting my bit. Come on in.
These fences are packaged usually with the Premier One solar powered chargers, and to save a little bit of money, we're using a charger that we already had, and I'm using as a jumper some commercial grade electrical wire, like the kind that you would see in a commercial building. Now if you were going to go out and buy the charger and the wire, you might as well just buy the solar charger, because it would cost about the same or maybe even more. But I had the charger and I had the wire. We've mounted the charger in the shed right beside an outlet. So that's where that is, and we're using this this commercial grade electrical wire as a jumper to go from the charger to the fence. Now there's about 120 feet of this wire that we're using as a jumper, so we can go a long way from the shed, pretty much all over my property. There's not very many places on the property that this won't reach. Eventually I would like to go ahead and get the solar powered charger, but that may be a year or two down the road. For now, we're using what we have to make it work. So we're into this for This is 164 feet of this 48-inch high electrical fence, electrical netting that cost a little over $200. So, you know, that's not bad for what we're trying to do. Our next project is finishing this eggmobile, and then we'll be pretty much set up for around 40 to 50 chickens in the eggmobile and in the nest that we're going to rotate around the property. And so we're going to let the chickens fertilize the pastures and the yard around the property. And so that is our setup of the Premier One electrical netting. Hit that like, thumbs up, the subscribe button, and the notification bell.